Hey, it's me, Jill, the marketing director here at Savannah Grand. I wanted to really quickly tell you about 4 very special ladies. Actually, I'll let the video speak for itself. Check it out. This group I call our Fantastic Four, and they've got some great singing ability as well. You know, during this time of COVID, we have crossed many barriers, and I can tell you that without a shadow of a doubt, the bright spot has definitely been our residents. Thank you so much for checking out our videos and taking some time with us. How about a couple bloopers? Miss Sarah, how long have you been playing the piano?
I don't know. Since I was about 12.
Since you're about 12?
Mm-hmm.
So that's like a whole week you've been playing.
Oh, sure it is.
I'll be good.
Okay.
Miss Sarah, how long have you been playing the piano?
I don't really know. I think probably around.
Oh, take 3.